Hello guys. If you like playing Minecraft or you want a fighting games, play this game. It's called Bed Fight. If you wanna rank, just go developer, join community, and now you can play. If you like solo rank, you can do 1v1. If you have a friend and you want to play with him in rank, you go 2v2. First part, if he accepts, you can play rank 2v2. Play this game now. It's called It's called Bed Fight and free to play.